Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade jelly easy. Start by sterilizing jars and prepping fruit for even cooking. Use equal parts fruit and sugar for most recipes, and add pectin only if needed to reach set. Simmer gently until the mixture reaches gelling point, then ladle into hot jars and process in a boiling water bath to ensure safety and shelf stability. Label jars with date and store in a cool, dark place. Gather fruit, sugar, and pectin, plus lemon juice for acidity and a reliable thermometer. Prep a heavy saucepan and a wooden spoon to prevent scorching. Keep clean jars, lids, and a boiling water canner ready for processing. Measure ingredients in cups or grams, and taste the cooked fruit before adding pectin to adjust sweetness and acidity. Have a timer and a clean funnel to speed jar filling. Bring the fruit mixture to a full rolling boil and stir constantly to prevent sticking. Use a candy thermometer or plate test to confirm the jelly will set properly. Skim off foam for clearer jelly and pour carefully into hot jars, leaving appropriate headspace before sealing. Process jars in a boiling water bath for the recommended time to ensure safety, then cool undisturbed to check seals. Label jars with flavor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.